Okay, so for a couple of days now we've had a yellow warning out covering a good part of England and Wales for the expectation of heavy thundery rain pushing up from the south. And actually we've seen this morning, this is a loop of the last 6 hours or so, this rain quite broadly across southern England, but particularly heavy over the southeast. We see that thunderstorms and really intense bursts of rain affecting parts of Kent and Sussex, with already 40 millimetres in the hour reported locally, which has given some flooding. Now the concern is now that we're going to see further heavy rain this afternoon, and there are just the signs on the satellite imagery of some deep convection, some heavy thundery downpours starting to develop over northeast France, and the expectation is that those could well then track up northwestwards to affect some of the areas which have already have some really intense rain. Now coming on top of the saturated ground, that is likely to cause some flooding either to roads or properties. So in view of that, we've issued an amber warning covering, broadly speaking, Sussex, Kent, parts of Essex, in the expectation of this rain from late afternoon into the early evening period. However, do just be aware that if you live across the rest of the country, a good part of England and Wales, that there will also be some quite heavy rain around, and you can't rule out flooding in that area either. So if you're heading out and about this afternoon into the evening and overnight period, just be careful to check for the latest forecast to get an update on what's going on.